Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm, and in that order. And we're kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So y'all just come on in, grab a seat, take a look, and have a listen, because you don't want to miss a thing. Hey y'all, Tracy here, keeper of the home at 4D Farms. Let's make some chicken Alfredo in the Instant Pot. On the saute mode, on your Instant Pot, the first thing you're going to do, I took one chicken breast, cubed it up. I'm going to saute it in some butter, olive oil, oregano seasoning, Italian seasoning, onion powder, and garlic. Next, you are going to add a bag of chopped, steamed broccoli florets. Toss them around in those seasonings just for a minute. Then you're going to add the noodles of your choice. You do not have to use Alfredo noodles. I'm using what I have on hand. Your jar of Alfredo sauce. Then the same amount of water. Just pour it in there, shake that jar up, get that extra out. Anytime you are making a pasta in your Instant Pot, you have to have the same amount of water as you do the amount of pasta. Give it a stir, put your lid on, turn it to sealing, take it off of cancel, and hit pressure cook. And I'm going to go down to 8 minutes. And it's going to do its thing. After it comes up to pressure, it will start counting down your time. Do a quick release. Open your lid up. Give it a stir. I'm going to add in some sour cream and some Parmesan cheese. Got that in there. You don't have to add these, y'all, if you don't want to. I just thought that'd be nice. Y'all, chicken Alfredo. Now we're fixing to plate it up. And we are going to chow down because I am hungry. Y'all go enjoy your creation. See you in the next one.